What if you could create books, audiobooks, and publishing content with the help of artificial intelligence without spending countless hours doing everything manually? That is exactly what today's software claims to do. In this review, we're taking a close look at ScribeLabs AI, a platform designed to help users simplify the Amazon KDP publishing process using AI-powered tools. We'll cover what it is, how it works, its key features, the pros and cons, who it's best suited for, and whether it's actually worth your investment. Stay with me until the end because I'll share my honest opinion and tell you whether this software deserves your attention. Let's get started. One of the biggest challenges with Amazon publishing is the amount of work involved. Many people hear about Kindle direct publishing and assume it's easy money. But once they begin, they quickly discover the reality. You need to research profitable niches. You need to create content. You need to format books correctly. You need covers. You may want audiobooks. You need to upload everything properly and optimize your listings. For beginners, this can feel overwhelming. Even experienced publishers often spend hours moving between different software tools to complete each project. That's where ScribeLabs AI enters the picture. The goal of this platform is to bring multiple publishing functions together under one roof. Instead of juggling several different tools, users get access to an AI-powered publishing system designed specifically for Amazon KDP creators. According to the creators, ScribeLabs AI was built to help users streamline the publishing process from content creation to audiobook production. The software focuses on helping users create publishing assets faster while reducing the amount of manual work traditionally required. This makes it especially attractive for beginners, side hustlers, self-publishers, content creators, and entrepreneurs looking to leverage artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about the features. One of the primary features is AI-assisted content generation. Instead of staring at a blank page wondering what to write, users can utilize AI technology to generate content ideas in draft materials. This can significantly reduce the time required to create publishing projects. Another feature that stands out is audiobook creation. Audiobooks continue to grow in popularity every year. Creating them manually can often be expensive and time-consuming. ScribeLabs AI aims to simplify that process by providing audiobook-related capabilities within the platform. Another benefit is workflow consolidation. Many publishers use separate tools for writing, editing, formatting, and production. Having these functions available within a single dashboard can help improve efficiency and reduce complexity. The platform is also designed with usability in mind. From what I've seen, the dashboard appears beginner-friendly and relatively easy to navigate. That can be important because many AI platforms become difficult to use once you move beyond basic features. Now let's discuss who this software is best for. If you're completely new to Amazon KDP publishing, this tool may help reduce the learning curve by giving you access to publishing-focused AI tools in one place. If you're already publishing books on Amazon, the software may help you streamline certain aspects of your workflow. If you're a content creator interested in expanding into books and audiobooks, the platform may offer additional opportunities to repurpose content. And if you're a side hustler looking for a digital business model that doesn't require inventory or shipping, Amazon publishing may be worth exploring. However, it's important to understand what this software is not. This is not a magic button that automatically creates a successful publishing business overnight. No software can guarantee results. You'll still need to choose good topics, review content carefully, understand your audience, and make smart publishing decisions. AI is a tool. It's designed to assist your efforts, not replace them entirely. Let's take a look at some of the advantages. One advantage is convenience. Having multiple publishing-related functions available within a single platform can save time. Another advantage is speed. AI-assisted content generation can help users create draft materials much faster than starting from scratch. The audiobook capabilities may also appeal to users who want to expand beyond traditional ebooks. The software also appears suitable for beginners who may not have prior publishing experience. Now let's discuss some potential drawbacks. Like any AI tool, the quality of output depends heavily on how you use it. You'll still need to review and refine content before publishing. There may also be a learning curve for users who are completely unfamiliar with publishing concepts. And while AI can speed up content creation, success in publishing still requires consistency and effort. No software can eliminate that reality. So what is my overall verdict? If you're interested in Amazon publishing and want a platform specifically designed around that workflow, ScribeLabs AI appears to offer some compelling features. The biggest strength of the software is its focus. Rather than being a generic AI platform, it is built around publishing-related activities. For users who value convenience and efficiency, that focus may provide significant value. I particularly like the idea of having content creation and audiobook-related tools available within a unified system. That can simplify the publishing process and help users stay productive. Would I recommend it? If you're interested in Amazon KDP, digital publishing, AI-powered content creation, or building publishing assets more efficiently, I believe it's worth taking a closer look. At the very least, it's a platform that deserves consideration from anyone exploring modern publishing solutions. If you'd like to learn more about ScribeLabs AI, check out the link in the description below. You can explore the platform, watch the official presentation, and determine whether it's the right fit for your publishing goals. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts about AI-powered publishing tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.